Alright, let's open up this Magic the Gathering Aetherdrift Play Booster. Opening, so I'm just gonna open it up. Max speed. I don't know what that is. Right. Here we go. So this is supposed to be guaranteed foil in every pack. Well, let's see what we get. Stampeding Scurryfoot. Howler's Heavy. Brightfield Mustang. Proud Catcher Specialist. Packdoll Terror. Venom Sac Legak. Interface Ace. Migrating Ketrodon. Stock Up. Unswerving Sloth. Intimidation Tactics. Bulwark Ox. Right. Let's go back. Because I think we got, yep. Alright. So we got white flag, white checker flag, silver checker flag, silver checker flag, silver checker flag, gold flag, Bulwark X, and foil, Seat of Armor Maxed Racer, legendary creature, and ooh, we got another one. Dismal Backwater land card, common foil. So we got a rare and a common foil.
Who are you and how do you know her heart attack? I'm her brother-in-law. Oh yeah, who you talking dirty to? Watch.